The other set of identities are the even-odd properties. Sine and its evil twin, which is cosecant, so I'll put and cosecant, are odd. Because when you plug in a negative, you get out a negative. So is tangent and its evil twin, which is cotangent. Cosine, on the other hand, is even. When you plug in a negative, yep. When you plug in a negative and its evil twin is secant, you get out a positive, so it is even. The example I want to go over today is this. Find the 6 trig functions of 3 pi over 4. So, from before, we need to get the point first. So, number 1 is get the point. And then number 2 is find the trig functions. So, to get the point, what is the reference number of 3 pi over 4? Pi over 4. The point for pi over 4 was square root of 2 over 2. And square root of 2 over 2. What quadrant is 3 pi over 4 in? So 3/4, what quadrant is that going to be in? 2. Quadrant 2, what's positive and what's negative?
X is negative and Y is positive.
Good. X is negative, Y is positive. So now that I have the point, I can get my 6 trig functions. So sine of 3 pi over 4, does sine go with the X or the Y? In your notes, you should know. Sine goes with the Y, so positive square root of 2 over 2. Cosine goes with the X or the Y. So negative square root of 2 over 2. Tangent is what over what? So, square root of 2 over 2 divided by negative square root of 2 over 2. They are the same value, so what are you going to get? Yep, but it's going to be negative 1 because you have a negative on the bottom. Now, cosecant is this flipped. So when you flip this, what do you get? 2 over root 2, and I multiply by root 2 over 2, which would give me 2 root 2 over 2, and what happens to these two things, to the 2's? They cancel. So it's root 2. Cosine is the same thing, only it's negative, correct? So secant, which is cosine flipped, is going to be, instead of positive, it's going to be what? Instead of positive root 2, what's it going to be? Negative root 2. And cotangent is negative 1 flipped. Negative 1 flipped is going to be what? Negative 1.